BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. If you are using YouTube Music, then you may well know that last year Google started rolling out the recap and recaps experience for YouTube Music on your PC and YouTube Music on your mobile phone. Now, if you are using YouTube Music and you hadn't noticed yet, or maybe you just are unaware, recently Google started rolling out the 2022 recap and recaps experience, as you can see, for YouTube Music on the web and YouTube Music on your mobile device, where you can check out your personalized stats like your top artists and top songs that you have listened to throughout the course of the year. Now, I've received 4 main playlists in my region, and this may be specific to your region, but nonetheless, I've received a fall, a winter, and a spring recap, and then also a 2022 recap. And for fall, winter, and spring, I've received 50 songs in each playlist, and then I've received 100 songs for my yearly recap for 2022. And I have actually been listening to these playlists over the last day or so, and have actually found it quite interesting just to listen to the top songs that you were listening to throughout the course of the year. And also they've put it into those different quarters as well, which I actually think is a nice handy feature and a handy experience. Now, you can also add these playlists to your own personalized playlists, which I actually think is a nice idea, and I've actually saved them, which means if you add it to a playlist, or you actually add it to your own playlists in YouTube Music, you can actually listen to those throughout the course of the year, even when Google does remove the recap experience, maybe at the end of this year and into next year. If you save them as playlists, you'll still be able to listen to your yearly recap if you would be interested. Now, just on a side note, if you are using YouTube Music on your phone, in the YouTube Music app, and this is specific to the YouTube Music app, the recap page will now also allow you to integrate your personal photos from Google Photos if you are using the different Google services. So basically what that means, if you are using photos, you'll be able to sync them to the music in the YouTube Music app, and then create memories that you can share with your family and friends, maybe as an example over this festive season or this holiday season. And if you haven't seen the new recaps and the recap experience on your PC or on your phone, then Google has said that it may take a couple of days and or weeks to reach your Google account, so just take note of that. So the new YouTube recap and recaps experience now rolling out and becoming more widely available for YouTube Music online and on your mobile device. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.